Hello people of the world, Giddy Dog here, and welcome to my vlog. Day number 3, I think. Really, this is day number 1 because... So, events of today. Today, there was a giant storm. Power went out, and the street was flooded, and that happened. That is a huge branch that fell from that tree. And that entire street was flooded. So that was exciting. It was exciting. It really was. And also, over here was flooded a bit. Don't know where all the water went. Probably through the rocks or somewhere. I don't know where this water goes. Like, what's under there? Nobody knows. Today I decided, let's take a nature walk. Considering the last few times we were inside the house. So, now we're outside. You wanna go, guys wanna go in the backyard? Backyard's not really that exciting. But it is pretty nice. Okay, to the backyard. To the backyard. Yes, that's exactly where I want to go. This is the backyard now, guys. Look at this. It's a backyard. No, these are flowers. Flowers. It's very beautiful. Many flowers. And over here is a car. And then let's just do a big view of the backyard. It's pretty neat, huh? There's flowers, there's a fireplace, there's a tree. Ooh, do you want me to climb that tree? Because I can totally climb that tree. Okay. Today, we can look over. This is our campfire. It's our shed. There's more leafy greens over here. This is our tree. Did you see that? I thought there was a firefly. You want to catch fire for this or climb the tree? Considering it was just raining, maybe we shouldn't climb the tree. But there are a lot of fireflies out here. It's so beautiful out here. It really is. Except for that. That's not so beautiful. That's a gate. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty nice out tonight. I'm gonna say tonight because, just give me a moment. It's sunset and it's beautiful, huh? Guys, it's really beautiful. It's wonderful out here. And I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. This was a nice journey, having you and me in this wonderful house. Ooh, it smells like candles in here. Oh yes, because the power went out and we have a bunch of candles. Can we blow out the candles?
Just cuz?
Yeah,
Why?
because it's smelly.
It's snowing.
Smelly.
I like it smelling good. It
It's,
smells bad.
it just smells really strong.
Party pooper.
Yeah. So yes, we are in the smelly room of candles. Some announcements. First off, I do have a new intro for my Gotcha Life videos that I'm going to be using in my next video. So look out for that. You're gonna love it. or not, you know, it's your own opinion. Can't change that. And another announcement is oh yes, I'm going to be doing more of these vlogs and more of the story. So if you're following the story and you like the story, here you go. I'm gonna give it to you, but it might take a while. So if you like that, if you like this little puppy, like and subscribe. You know, I'm not gonna ask that of you guys. I mean, sure, it would help if you did like and subscribe, but I'm not gonna ask you to do that because that's what everybody does. I don't feel like I should be obligated to tell you what to do. Obligated. Sorry. My English is bad. And I'm part Irish. Did you know that? I'm part Irish, part Korean, so there's that. Part German. I don't have a German accent, obviously. And if you wanted to know my gender, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. And basically, bye. I'll work on the outro, don't worry.